Hi. Today, I have a special story for you. This story is about Jessica and a whale. We will learn English by listening to this story. The English is simple for levels A1 and A2. So listen carefully and enjoy. Hello, everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today, I want to tell you a very interesting and important story. This story is about a woman named Jessica Radcliffe and a big whale. Many people saw videos on social media recently. These videos said that a big whale attacked Jessica during a live show. Some people believed the story and shared the videos very fast. But is this story true? Let's learn the real facts together. Jessica Radcliffe is a young animal trainer. She works in a marine park with whales and other sea animals. Jessica loves animals very much. She teaches people how to care for and understand these beautiful creatures. Many people like Jessica because she is kind and smart. The video showed a big whale attacking Jessica. They said the whale got angry and hurt her. Some videos said the attack happened because there was blood in the water. People got scared when they watched these videos, but here's the truth. These videos are not real. They were made using computers and special technology called artificial intelligence. This technology can create videos that look real but are fake. Jessica is safe and healthy. There are no real news or reports that say she was hurt by a whale. The story is just a rumor. So why do these fake videos spread so fast? People like to watch strange, exciting, and scary videos. Sometimes fake videos get many views and shares quickly. The new technology makes these videos look very real. Because of this, many people believe the fake story. My advice is to be careful with what you see on the internet. Not everything is true. Before you believe or share something, check if it is real. You can ask trusted sources or look for official news. Jessica is a good trainer who loves her job. She is safe and doing well. We should respect and support people like her. We should not spread fake news that can hurt others. Thank you very much for listening to this story. Remember to be careful online and always check facts. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. See you soon with more stories and information. Goodbye.